There, and welcome to Bridgeline's video series on our Celebros search product offering. So there's really 8 key features of the product, with the core offering being the natural language site search, advanced autocomplete, guided navigation, to dynamic merchandising capabilities, a lot of great search analytics built in, AI, machine learning. And then lastly is our instant NLP site search. So I'll show you that here. And this is really just an admin view of a product catalog behind the scenes for testing purposes. But you can see that I'm typing in a long tail query of white gold wedding ring. And you can see that it's dynamically filtering the search results, right? So we can actually have on our customer's commerce site the search results page, and you could just continue to type in the field and it will dynamically filter down the results. It's also filtering facets on the left-hand side there, all the refinements based on the search criteria. In addition to that, just to explain a little bit more about the machine learning capabilities, based on the click-through rate and it learning over time, it'll take those highly popular products and present those first in your result set. So it does that dynamically based on understanding what's the most popular products here and serve those up first. You, of course, have control over whether or not you want that to happen, but it has that capability built in to really understand the click-through rate of all the different products on your site, what's the most popular, allowing you to maximize that probability of an actual purchase. So that's some great capabilities as well. We also have multi-level ranking, and as you can see here, it's really broken down to 3 different levels. Level 1 is global ranking, where we can look at things like machine learning, whether it's a new product or not, bestsellers, high margin, etc. At that global level, and then breaking it down at the category and attribute level, we can promote things like specific terms based on a term that's searched. You can promote certain items. You can promote brands or gender-based products, anything at the attribute level. And lastly is the level 3 here, product and filtering. In the case of searching for a product, and of course promoting different products there. And in addition to that, you can also, based on the filters that are applied, promote products as well. Here shows the admin screen, so that you were able to just basically drag and drop for a particular query or a fallback or a filter. In this case that we're looking at, if somebody filters down for the gender of ladies, you may want to promote certain products up top and have those appear first. You may also want to blacklist certain products from showing. Based on that, we can influence the actual ranking and what products appear first. In concept-based search, it's really looking for other terms around that are related to that term that could also be provided in your results set. So in this case, you're looking at someone searching for shoes. You want other things that are related to that. So sneakers, for example, or high heels in this case, running shoes. Those are all shoes that you want to present, but perhaps we don't have the word shoe in the term or the description or what have you. So this allows you to really group related categories or terms and have that be part of the results set as well, having it recognize the fact that these things are related to each other as a concept and presenting the most relevant results based on that. Another example here, the textual scenario of searching for table, it's looking for all the products that contain the word table within it, right? Within the title or the description. So you're seeing on the left-hand side, like table lamp would show up, right? But really the user's intent is likely the fact that they're searching for a table. So they want to see actual tables. Being able to, again, understand that user's intent and serve up the most relevant results and concepts based on that. And as far as other native search capabilities here, we talked a little bit about the long tail query processing. So being able to understand the intent of that query, that phrase that's entered in, being able to dynamically filter down based on those different attributes. So if they're searching for a particular color or size or price, we can adjust those filters and refinements dynamically on the fly on that search results. We also have the automatic concept-based synonyms. So in this case, looking for a notebook or versus a laptop, those different terms there, all those synonym terms are handled. The singular versus plural terms, semantic search algorithms for presenting the most relevant products based on, in this case, looking at certain sizes. And then also handling typos when you're searching a search query, presenting the did you mean, or even just presenting the products that are relevant based on what we think that the user is searching on. So the system has dictionaries built in to understand and decipher what they're searching for, and again, serving up the most relevant products based on that. Deeper dive into natural language processing, really, again, it deciphers all the language and tries to understand the meaning of the text of the phrase, or in this case, a paragraph, breaking out all the different attributes, the different nouns and adjectives that really the makeup of that statement, and finding the basic form of each of the words and defining the different, again, the different aspects of it there. The system supports up to 7 languages, so we are, for international sites, it's a great solution. Just a great case study here. You can see this is an example of online pharmacy, some of their Google Analytics. So just after 1 week of running Celebros, they've increased their conversion by 155%. So a huge increase in conversion there. And that's really what our product allows you to do. Really provides an overlay for a lot of commerce sites that may have a textual search, provides a much more intelligent way to decipher what the user is looking for and present the most relevant products, which in turn drives conversion. They're getting what they need, what their needs are, being able to quickly find and add to cart and transact with you. All right, so I hope this overview was helpful. And again, any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out, and we'll be more than happy to have a discussion and provide you a personalized demo based on your needs. Thanks so much.